Greetings, beautiful punters. It's Ben here, and we are going to be drawing punt 242, which is Kevin's slider for the spawn issues. Hooray! Kevin won't actually win this one. So let's get to it. All right. Slider 75 spots. And we are live. And it is 4:33 p.m. And you can see it is at 4:33 p.m. here in Canberra. Alrighty, let's go. 75 spots. Dak at the end. And Dom in first. Okay, 75 spots. Let's do this. 75, going up. Alright, looking good. Yep. Nice. Alright. Let's go to the dice roller. 3 dice roll. Alright, nice and easy. 1 and 3 is 4, and 4 is 8. 4 and 3 is 7, and 1 is 8. So, let's do this. Randomize. Alright. Go a second time. 75 items. 2 times. 3 times. 4, 5, 6. All right, 6 times. Double checking. 1 and 3 is 4, and 4 is 8. 2 more to go. 6 times and 7. All right, one more time for the winner. 7 times. Here we go. Oh, too fast, like lightning. All right, here we go. And our winner in first place for Kev's Spawn Books. Dun dun dun. Dak. About time. There you go. Congrats, Dak. Well done on that win. Go back in. And done. All right. Thanks for playing. Catch you soon.